Do you know writing can be classified into various types based on its purpose, audience, and language style? The most common types of writing are narrative, descriptive, persuasive, expository, and technical. Each type of writing has unique characteristics that make it suitable for different purposes. So, what is descriptive writing? It's a type of writing for writers to paint pictures with words. That means writers use words to create a vivid picture of a person, place, thing, or emotion. The author uses sensory details such as sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell to bring the subject to life. The main goal of descriptive writing is to describe and capture the reader's attention. Descriptive writing can be written from any point of view, depending on the focus of the description. Examples of descriptive writing include poetry, travel writing, and novels. Take a look at a descriptive example written by our student. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thanks for watching.